Do you ever feel like you're stuck in a financial rat race, working hard, saving diligently, yet wondering if your investments are really shaping your future? Or worse, the planet's future? Here's the truth. The rules of wealth building are changing. A quiet revolution is underway, and those who fail to adapt risk being left behind. Enter green investing, a strategy that not only aligns your portfolio with sustainability, but also supercharges your returns. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around and I'll show you exactly how to leverage ESG, environmental, social, and governance investing, to build a future-proof financial empire. Before you ask, no, this isn't about hugging trees or riding a bike to work every day. Though, if you're into that, no judgment, let's dive in. Here's the problem. The world is at a tipping point. Climate change, social inequalities, and corporate governance scandals are not just headlines. They're risks that directly threaten the stability of global markets and your investments. And here's where the fear kicks in. Traditional investments? They're losing ground. Companies ignoring sustainability are being penalized by governments, consumers, and, yes, the markets. Just last year, investors who bet against ESG principles saw their portfolios shrink. But wait, here's the good news. Green investing isn't just about avoiding risks, it's about seizing opportunities. ESG-focused companies are not only more resilient, but also outperform their peers in the long run. And what if I told you that one specific ESG strategy could add an extra 10% to your returns while safeguarding your wealth? More on that in a moment. But first, quick question. Ever invested in a company only to find out they're dumping toxic waste into rivers? Yeah, not a great dinner conversation. Let's not do that again. Let's talk about environmental opportunities. Companies investing in renewable energy, electric vehicles, and carbon reduction technologies are experiencing exponential growth. Tesla? It's not just a car company, it's a market disruptor leading the ESG charge. Then there's social impact. Businesses that prioritize diversity, fair labor practices, and community development aren't just ethically sound, they're attracting more investors and loyal customers. And finally, governance. Good governance means transparency and accountability. Think of it as the backbone of any great investment. Companies with strong governance outperform those riddled with scandals. Now, here's where excitement meets action. By adopting a green investing strategy, you're not just growing your wealth, you're shaping the future. You're investing in innovation, stability, and long-term prosperity. And that's the kind of wealth that lasts. But remember, timing is everything. The ESG train is accelerating, and every moment you wait is a missed opportunity to secure your financial future. Now, you're probably wondering, how do I maximize these gains even further? What if I told you the next big leap in investing isn't just green, but smart? Click the video on your screen now. AI-driven investing, smarter decisions for your money. Learn how to harness cutting-edge AI tools to supercharge your investments today. Don't wait. These strategies are reshaping the game, and early adopters are reaping the rewards. See you there.